here in Moscow at the Carlton Hotel, what used to be the Ritz-Carlton before the war and Western sanctions kicked in. This is the hotel where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to stay and hold an Indian community event as well during his visit to Moscow on July 8th and 9th. Now remember, this is an important visit. It is his first visit abroad in his third term, an honor that's normally held for neighboring countries of India, an indicator of just where India sees the relationship with Russia. It's also the first annual summit between the two countries, between the two leaders. It used to be a precept, a tradition from the year 2000. There were 21 such summits until 2021, after which there was a break due to the pandemic as well as the war in Ukraine. Since then, the two leaders have met once in Uzbekistan on the sidelines of the SCO summit. So this is going to be a very important meeting where they are going to work with the backlog of all the issues between India and Russia over the last few years, as well as look at a framework for ties in the future, whether it's on trade, whether it's on military, whether it is about space technology cooperation, as well as India's specific concerns about the war, on defense supplies, on the disruptions due to food, fertilizer and fuel sanctions as well as India's particular concern about Indians being recruited into the Russian military. Prime Minister Modi expected to make quite a strong appeal for Russia, for the Russian military to consider waivers and a military discharge at the earliest possible. Now here I am outside. This is Russia's main square, and I'm going to turn around so you can see just where we are. And behind me here is the Kremlin, the famous Kremlin, and this is where we do expect Prime Minister Modi will spend a large part of his time on Tuesday. He is going to go to the tomb of the unknown soldier. He's also expected to hold both bilateral as well as delegation level talks in here. Apart from that, he's going to look at a specific exhibition on nuclear power technology by Rosatom, but perhaps the pictures and the bonhomie is going to be set right at the start of his visit on Monday, when he's hosted to a special dinner by Russian President Vladimir Putin at Mr. Putin's own dacha just outside Moscow, about 35 minutes from here. In Moscow, I'll be bringing you all the details of the India-Russia summit with Prime Minister Modi's visit. For The Hindu, I'm Suhasini Haidar.